Hi, welcome to the day third of me in Berlin or whatever. And I'm going to the EAGX event as soon as in the morning possible because today it starts in the morning. I just woke up, brushed my teeth, took a shower, and now I'm just directly going to the event because today the event starts in the morning. I also have some calls scheduled from 10:30. Everything else is nice because the weather is not that cold today. It's sunny, you can see. It's a bit windy, but at least it's sunny. So that is good for me. And so I don't think I'll be recording much of the vlogging because it's generally normal stuff. थोड़ा सा धोखा हो गया है वो हवा वाला और धूप वाला कि जो धूप निकलता है तो लगता है कि गर्म होगा पर ठंडी होता है। अच्छी बात है कि यहाँ पे ट्रेन में बैठेंगे फिर उतरते ही तुरंत मेट्रो में बैठेंगे फिर तुरंत उतरते ही पहुँच जाएंगे वहाँ पे, तो ज़्यादा ठंडी का हमको सामना नहीं करना पड़ेगा। मतलब हवा चली तो ज़्यादा मुँह पे सन 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 लग रहा है तो थोड़ा दिक्कत हो रहा है, पर कोई दिक्कत नहीं। कल रात में बस लाइट डिनर मिला था। लाइट डिनर मतलब ठीक ही है, उतना भी कुछ कयास नहीं है। बेसिकली दाल था और उसके साथ ब्रेड था। हम लोग उसको लेंटिल सूप बोलते हैं, हम लोग दाल बोलते हैं। अभी हम ध्यान दे रहे कि पूरा हिंदी पे आ गया, अब क्या ही करें पता नहीं क्यों झटके से हिंदी बोलने का मन कर दिया। The weather was too windy for anything to be recorded properly, so I'll just do voiceover. I was just comparing everything to India all over long. Kind of fun, but the wind is too too fast today. I don't know how to breathe and how to go down. Yeah, you can see this metro stop. It's very similar to Delhi Metro. There's nothing much new here, and also the cleanliness is similar to Delhi Metro. So it is more like a Delhi Metro in general. I did the best preparation I could by doing all what I could, by reading the guide materials, going through Swapper and everything else, but still now I realize I was very ineffective in this conference. Thankfully now I have learned the ways that you can only learn by experience. So this is the metro or whatever from Berlin. It is closed, it is not open as it is in Delhi Metro, but yeah, whatever. This kind of metro is yellow coated, trams are pink, like everything has a color coding is that. But still gonna find things like color is like a universal language eventually. Okay, so they have an artificial beach also here. I see. Your kind of. Oh, nice. Artificial as in because there is nowhere water, but it is sand, a lot of sand. I guess good public transports make the city bigger, and because the people can access the outer parts of the city or the different parts of the city easily, so the bigger city becomes smaller in a way. Yes. Today is my last day in Berlin, at least in this trip. Tomorrow morning I will be going here from 6 a.m. So I think this is the last trip of the metro that I have with lights, because in the night there will be no much amount of light. Yeah, I don't even feel that energetic or vlog recording mood kind of stuff, so I'm just recording whatever I can. They have their own food stall as well, but ये लोग मोमोज नहीं बेचते होंगे मेरे ख्याल से. Asia bubble tea. Well, Asia and all things are pretty famous, so I think they might even have momos. The smell is quite good because it's coffee and I know I'm gonna pronounce it wrong, but croissant and other things that are nice. In the morning while leaving the house, I was a bit concerned that I'm forgetting something. I checked everything twice. I went to my room twice that if I'm forgetting anything, I will see it. But apparently I did not see it, and the thing that I was forgetting was my badge. The funny thing about the badge is I wanted to show it today. I forgot to show it yesterday. Is that in my name section they have put the name as My Spy Pathak. So Madhusudan Pathak's Pathak and My Spy is My Spy. So it felt kind of weird to me to read it at the first that it's My Spy Pathak. This is a mobile configuration check or setup check that can they push notifications like this to everyone's phone in case of emergency or as it is majorly for some kind of danger, natural calamity. This happened to me as soon as I reached Berlin, I think the second day, and I have lived in India for more than 20 days, but I have never received anything such. And I don't understand why the government of India or any country doesn't do this kind of thing, because it is such an essential thing and such an important way by which they can directly communicate with the citizens in case of emergency. But yeah, they don't do it. I have as soon as I reached UK, they did the same thing. So yeah, I don't know why they don't do it in India, and I think every country should do it. I also have an event from now, but I'm drinking a tea first because nasha nasha no, addiction is addiction. I drank a coffee, and now I'm also drinking tea because the coffee was not enough. And the tea, I got it because it had some Assam thing written on the some Assam thing was written on the tea bag. So I thought it will be something Indian, something that could taste like Indian. नशा बहुत ही गंदा चीज़ है भाई। अभी तक सुबह हम इतना कम एनर्जी में थे कि मेरा कुछ करने का मन नहीं कर रहा था। एक ठो कॉफ़ी एक ठो चाय पीने के बाद अभी हम इतना एनर्जी में कि ब्लॉग रिकॉर्ड करने का, सब रिकॉर्ड करने का अलग ही मन कर रहा है, अलग ही उछोड़ रहे हैं हम। पर देखो मेरे पास अभी 10-20 मिनट है, क्योंकि इसके बाद हमको जाना है रेड टीमिंग AI सेफ्टी बारे में, जो कि मेरा मेन है, जो वहाँ पे हमको अपना प्रोजेक्ट प्रेजेंट करना है और वहाँ पे लोग रिसर्चर्स आए, उन लोग से बात करना है। हम क्यों बताएं भाई कैसा हो रहा है सब कुछ, हम क्यों बताएं कि सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा है, काफ़ी एग्जॉस्टिंग है और थक गए बहुत हम। चाय पीने भर का, कॉफ़ी पीने भर का भी हमको टाइम नहीं मिल पा रहा है। देखो लैंग्वेज मेरा फंस रहा है, क्योंकि अभी इंग्लिश में बोले थे हम लगभग 2 घंटे से लगातार, और हिंदी में स्विच करना पड़ा। पर हम क्यों बताएं कुछ भी तुमको, हम क्यों बताएं भाई कि मेरे लिए थोड़ा खाना पीना भी जरूरी है, इसीलिए हम इवेंट छोड़ छाड़ के यहाँ कॉफ़ी पीने आ गए। हम क्यों बताएं। द इवेंट इज़ सो एग्जॉस्टिंग एंड टायरिंग दैट आई एम नॉट इवन गेटिंग इनफ टाइम टू सिट एंड हैव अ कॉफ़ी और समथिंग, but thankfully there is good amount of sun, and sun is something that I like. And I also got a coffee anyhow. I thought to just skip on some events and just have a coffee, because if I will be alive then only I'll be able to attend the events. This area is called Tesla flyover stuff, but I did not see any pigeon here. Bad joke I guess, but I'm not here to make jokes. I don't know where I'll be to make jokes. I think no one will come if I make jokes. Although I don't like to read a lot of books, पर मेन बात ये है कि फ्री में मिल रहा है तो ले ही लेते हैं. A threat to ASI, to race to save the world. I recently wrote an essay on ASI. I don't think blogging and all this might be nice. It might feel cringe and all, but चलो हमको काम करना है, हम करेंगे, हमको क्या पड़ता होगा, पड़ता है ऐसे पता नहीं. तो फिर ये हम लोग को खाना मिला यहाँ पे, लंच है ये हम लोग का. अजीब सा ये सब्जी है, कह लो ग्रेवी वाला, आलू भी है, पता नहीं क्या चीज़ है ये, कुछ सलाद है. लोग को दाल खाना बड़ी पसंद है मर्द वालों को, और ये ब्रेड उसके साथ अलग से ले लिया. हम और कुछ मिलेंगे, देखेंगे कितना पेट भर रहा है कितना नहीं. बाकी मेरे ख्याल से इतना पेट भर जाएगा मेरा. ओके, इसका टेस्ट थोड़ा बहुत पनीर टाइप का लग रहा है, पनीर की ग्रेवी कह लो. ये यहाँ पे उसकी तरह लग रहा है, मतलब एक हम लोग का चाट टाइप का होता है ना, चाट वैसा टेस्ट आया उसका. हमको अभी इवेंट में जाने से जल्दी खा रहे हम, ताकि इवेंट भी ज्वाइन कर सकें. इतना काम इतना दौड़ाड़ी क्या बजाय, और जो भी सही है, कम कुछ हो रहा है काम का. ये लोग का दूसरे टाइप का सब्जी है जिसको लोग स्ट्यू बोलते हैं, हम लोग सब्जी बोलेंगे. ये बस पी का है, मतलब बस क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में, मटर का. ये ब्रेड दूसरा वाला ही ब्रेड है जो खाली ये भी ले लिया कि उनको टेस्ट करना था, खाना के लिए तो पेट में भरी गया है. ये पता नहीं कैसे निमोना जैसा टेस्ट कर रहा है. निमोना जो होता है ना वैसा लगभग बेस्ट टेस्ट होता ही है, ऐसा निमोना भी उसी तरह मटर से पीस के बनता है. हमको पता नहीं कैसे बनता है निमोना. ओके, सो आई डिड रिलैक्स फॉर लाइक 1 hour something. I was just sitting here in some of these couches and just lying down, like some of them are doing, not sleeping but just lying down. The fucking thing that ruined my mind is, when I told them about artificial wisdom, they searched on the internet and they found a post about artificial wisdom, and someone has written the exact same things that I have written on my, I have talked about in my things, and I have written on my stuff. And they have, it's like so annoying, about same orthogonality thesis and everything, terminal goals, and they have, and their post is first of all accepted unless wrong. If I try to do the same thing, they don't accept my post unless wrong. First of all, that thing. The second is that they have not even given me some credits or something. They have just written their own stuff. It is so annoying in the first place, and I'm just so frustrated by it. And I know if their post will, if they submit the same thing in a contest, and if I submit my thing, they will win, because I don't know what kind of racism or what is going on. I'm so annoyed at this moment that I cannot tell, and I'm also going to meet some people now, and then my whole mood is ruined at this moment. Anyhow, this is the thing that I was talking about, my spy Pathak. Time is right now 19:37, that is 7:37 p.m. and tonight I think this is the last clip or something like last in the vlog segment that I'm recording. And yeah, the event has ended half an hour ago. Everyone is just talking here and there to whoever they can and just having a good time. I have to leave tomorrow morning 3:30 a.m. So I'll just go quickly and thought to sleep, or not just sleep, even just do all the stuff that I have to do. Okay, so apparently I'm not going home right now, because no one is at home who can open the door. And Isidore, Lorenzo, Guy, Grego, everyone is here only, and no one is leaving right now. Okay, so it's been nearly 2 hours since the event got over, and I'm still in that same area, majorly because after the event got over, I went to the station and then I found out that I forgot my bottle. So I went back to get my bottle to the event, and then I also remembered that I'm hungry. I have not eaten anything for dinner, and I've also not got any dinner. So I went to a shop to take something. This was a lot of running around and like going a bit off track, walking around 1 kilometer extra for this. I even walked the one whole station. You can imagine how much I had to walk. This is just a random screenshot from yesterday, that is September 12th, 2024, where I explored Berlin. But yeah, this is also a good enough proxy for the amount of
walking or physical exhaustion that I have to go through in attending these kind of events, or basically in trying to make a maximum output from the this kind of trips that I have in these conferences. For me, although mental exercise or mental activity is normal, but physical activity is not, therefore these are even more exhausting to me. But as I said in the main video, also it is very rewarding for me in general. The conferences are generally for 3 days, but in this time I was just able to attend two of the days, not the third one, because I had exam on Monday and I had to leave. But overall, although it was exhausting, although I had to walk a lot, although there was a lot of tons of new experiences, oh, it was just very much rewarding. So I really enjoyed it. If I was recording a vlog, then this would be the end of the vlog. That's all. Let's see how the further things go. This was all for Berlin. Tomorrow morning, I don't think I'll be having enough time to record anything. Let me get a proper frame of mine. Yeah, last of Berlin. Have a good day. Bye.